Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a quick look here at Render, seeing what's going on. Going to look at some back-end liquidation levels to start, of course, as per usual, and kind of see where we're at. Then draw out kind of maybe some new fib levels and just effectively understand some points of control. Because this, this coin is definitely looking like it wants to take off, but we got to make sure we've bottomed out so far, right? So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something. Do me a favor, hit the like button before we get started. Comment below, help grow the channel, of course, so more people can discover this and effectively, hopefully, not destroy their accounts like every other influencer out there, I think, is doing from what I've been told. Again, low leverage, low position size, that's the king, that's the way to go. If you're going to be swing trading this market, you got to be able to survive those ebbs and flows. So, take a look here at the liquidation data here for the lower end of Render. We can see a lot more liquidation levels at 10.20, 10.30, just below the price action. That does give incentive for the price to go lower. Is that a guarantee? No. It reaffirms the fact that there's a lot of support there too, and people are more biased towards long versus short positions. So, just kind of note that we've retested this level a lot. If we continue to retest it, there's a good chance we could very well see the price break down. Okay. So just a friendly warning there in case that were to happen. Let's see if there's anything else on the daily. Working our way down, kind of help understand where we're at. Keep in mind too, there's not a lot of volume just below the price action here. There's like a big shelf. Oops, I missed that one here. Big shelf right here of zero volume or very low volume. So I just be cautious here taking along. Make sure you have a tight stop loss really close to that 1030 mark. Because if we lose that level, the price could continue to run. Again, that's if Bitcoin drops the bottom and continues to run past 60,000. That's probably the likelihood there, if that were to happen. Not that that's a likelihood, but if that does occur, we could see this occur here too, where the price pulls back. We're trending nicely here, but right there on the edge, you can kind of see this trend line here working its way up, and just effectively understanding, hey, we are in a situation here where the price action is trying to hold that level. Okay, so we're running concurrent with the 20-day SMA. That's the important thing here. So is that massively important? No, it just kind of gives us a mindset of, hey, we're still bullish on this coin. And then we take a look here as well. We're over 50 on the R side. Not a lot of coins can say that on the daily. Money flow index is dropping, though, pretty hard. Now, that's normal when the price action pulls back the way that it has. But truth is, higher value implies that people can buy less of something, too. So honestly, volume does tend to dry up if that is the case. I'm not sugarcoating it all. It doesn't mean that's a good thing. It just implies that it makes sense for the circumstances. However, generally perceived as disadvantageous, or the price could keep pulling back. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we're below all moving averages minus the 200, which is neither good nor bad. Just, well, okay, it's not as good as it is bad. In other words, we are below this recent point of control. In fact, let's just verify that and double check. How much volume do we have on this coin, and where is it all at? We have a ton of volume at $11.11. So 11.11 is easy number, remember. We can be above that level. That'd be a very important thing for us, because right now we're holding that's a resistance for us. And the likelihood of the price action breaking through that is more challenging, more difficult, especially with all the moving averages being above the price too. Kind of just lets us know that being a closure above 11.11 would be a very, very solid thing. Because look at this here. We're right at 50 on the RSI. If we break through that $11 mark, we'll be naturally above 50 on the RSI, giving us that confirmation that we're trending more towards a bullish, momentous uptrend. Now, is it a guarantee the price goes above that level, it just takes off? No. But with money flow index trailing behind as it continues to flip, then that's going to be a really good sign. So ideally, we're going to close above that level today. RSI is up over 50, and money flow index is passing that level. Again, we need money flow index to be higher in order to pass that, because look at how low the volume is. We've just been slowly tapering off. So it makes sense the price is not able to sustain any higher highs or higher lows, because the volume itself is low. Okay, pay attention to the volume. It speaks loud and speaks loud. That wasn't supposed to be a pun, but it is. So anyways, the volume is something you want to pay attention to. That's the bottom line. We see a MACD convergence here, which is positive again, but low volume doesn't necessarily mean it's going to take off. If we take a look at the hourly, we can confirm that we're still below the cloud from what I saw earlier, which we are. So again, honoring this ascending trend, all good. What we're looking for in a perfect world is a closure here above this 0.236 fib level there at about $11.10. And at that point, I would consider a long position. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm going to set an alert there, see kind of where we're at here in about 24 hours. And if we're above that level, we might be in a better place. But for now, we got to presume that this trend will continue until it doesn't, right? In other words, we're still establishing lower highs, lower lows. We have low volume in general. Until that volume increases, there's no reason to consider a trade. Yeah, that's just my personal opinion. I prefer to trade a confirmation instead of just in if or whens, right? But right now, we have to consider waiting until we see that $11 mark or higher, 11.10 preferably. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking for there. Hopefully that made sense and I described that correctly. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a quick favor, do everyone else a favor too, like the video, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Jump on over to our Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, get to know our community. And if you want to become a better trader, watch my Trading University videos, become a member, and we'll look forward to working with you there too. Last but not least, Bitunix. Check them out. They're an awesome exchange. CryptoCash.tech, you can join all of our affiliates if you'd like, but generally speaking, Bitunix, no KYC or VPN required for our US and Canadian members. Awesome exchange. Thank you so much. We'll look forward to seeing the video next. Have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.